So I've got the new inner sill here. There's a lot of prep work gone in. I'm just going to crack on and weld up all these plug weld holes. So let's go. Right, that's all I got time for today. This needs to pull down a bit to meet, so that panel gap will close up. Yeah, it didn't really go very well. I don't really know. I think just because I'm rushing it to get home because it's 10 o'clock. This obviously needs to pull back in to meet the step and spot weld along the step. So that should sort out that gap. Maybe a little bit of trimming. It should all pull into place. Yeah. Whatever, it'll be fine. Right, hello, I'm back in the garage tonight. And behind me you can see I've just bought myself a new angle grinder because I was thinking the other day, all these people seem to break angle grinders. I've done my whole project without breaking one. And what do? I pressed the button before the disc had stopped spinning and cracked the aluminium casing inside, so my button popped out. So I've now got a grinder without a button that I can't change, so that wire wheel's going to have to stay on there. There's my button. So yeah, I picked up this Guild one. It was on offer in Argos for 20 quid. I thought, can't really go wrong. If it breaks, then apparently I can take it back anytime within a year. It says 2-year warranty, but yeah, who knows about that. I can take it back to Argos within a year, so hopefully I don't break this one as well. Plan tonight is sort out the rest of this inner sill, get it to fit a bit better. I'm really not happy with how it fits, but I think I can sort of massage it into place and get it good enough for me. So yeah, bit of welding, bit of grinding, all the usual stuff really. Let's crack on. Just thought I'd point this out because I haven't seen this before. Normally there's a big switch on the back. This one got a little, it's almost like a trigger. So you pull that down and then squeeze in. Cool idea. Probably easier to turn off, or easier to turn on and off. The thing that I found with the other type is that it's really hard to when it's on. Obviously you can lock it on. Why won't this go? Yeah, so it kind of locks on. So if you drop it, that's going to continue to spin and mash your face up. So, good idea, I reckon. Ozito. I don't know where I got this from. I know it was cheap, and it's lasted quite a long time, so yeah, it's over this gill one. Right, so after my camera ran out of battery, I carried on. Sorry about that, you guys didn't get to see it, but carried on, got this all welded up, started grinding it off, realised couldn't actually be bothered to grind it all off, so it'll be seam sealed over. Obviously I need to flip it down so I can get in to spot these up onto the doorstep there. So once that's on the ground, I'll do that. Going off some of the welds, coming back. Then I got the subframe mount panel welded in, and also the closing panels now welded in. We've got a bit of a hole there where the boot floor was a bit thin, so I need to cut that out, re-weld a patch in, obviously grind down all of these. But yeah, big step forward. It's amazing what a late night in the garage will do. Probably should go home because it is, yeah, about 20 to 1. Excellent. I got work tomorrow. But yeah, chuffed with that. Catch you next time. Peace. Right, there we are, boys and girls. Another hole welded up. Beautiful. Alright, back again. Just been in the garage today. Welded in this this part of the arch repair. Ground down some of the welds. Fixed the hole that was here. It's not the greatest metal, so I haven't gone too overboard. I've left most of the weld there, so keep a bit of strength in. And yeah, let's just give it a coat of zinc primer just to keep it protected, and then we can move on to the next thing.